These are homemade pork meatballs that I always have in my freezer. I can literally keep them there for so long. It tastes amazing and goes well with any food or side dishes. Cook them in a soup or you can just fry them with your appetizer. Let's make this together. Here are the ingredients, and actually the spring onions are mainly for decoration. First, let's prepare pork for blending. The size of cut pieces depends on the instructions of your blender, so you don't have to follow this at all. And let's blend the pork first. I don't blend them too much here because I like to season it before the final stage of blending, as you can see in this video. First, just 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of seasoning powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, then a bit of water to make it more juicy. And after you season it, we now can blend them all together again until it's well mixed together as this one. Then you can rest this in your fridge for about an hour. And after resting, you can start dividing this into small pieces. So make sure it's not sticky with your hands. You should wear a glove or pat a bit of cooking oil on your pan before making any shapes. This is an important stage in making meatballs. You have to follow this carefully. Put water to boil. Then turn off the heat, wait for about 3 to 5 minutes until your water becomes not too hot. You should not put your raw meatballs in whilst it's boiling because the meat would be dissolved in water. Then put raw pork meatballs in the water at once. Wait until they all float, that's when you know they're all done. Before taking them out of water, you should prepare ice water first. So drain them from hot water, then put them into ice water that you just prepared. The reason why you soak meatballs in ice water is immediately after draining them, because you don't want the outer layers of your meatballs become dry. Keep them there for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you can drain them all again. It can last to a week if you always keep them refrigerated. And this is it. I hope you consider subscribing and liking this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you and see you around.